computer. This is my Canva. You're gonna see a lot of me and my husband's business stuff in here because we both use Canva. His is for his property management company. Mine is for, Brittany Bruce Education. This lesson is going to be how to set up your brand hub, what that looks like, and just kind of get you acquainted with Canva. Especially if you're not very tech savvy. If you're tech savvy, you've probably already dug into this and figured it out. But those of you who are like me and you need a little bit more help, here is what we're going to be looking at. So, back end of Canva, you have your home, you have your projects, the things that you are working on. Here are all of our specific projects. But here is the really cool part, is the brand hub. Now, this is the paid version. Anywhere you see the little crown, that is only for the paid version. So if you're using the free version of Canva, you're not going to have this. But if you click brand hub, here are both of our brands. My husband's brand is Orange Beach Life. My brand is Brittany Bruce Education. You can see both of our logos and our colors. But this is basically what's inside. You can build and store your logos for easy access. You can build your color palette, and I'll talk about that in just a minute. You can choose the different fonts here. And any photos that you want to keep in there. You can add graphics, icons. I mainly use this for my colors. So this is where I built out my palette, was actually in Canva, and then I use my palette in here to add it to my palette to Flowdesk. I added it to my palette in Show It, my website platform. I added it to my palette in KAJABI, my course platform. So this is mainly what I use the brand hub for. Now, one of the things that I'm really wanting to start utilizing this for is graphics. I really want to try to do a better job this year of adding graphics that I can just kind of plug and play for my brand, for social media and things like that. But again, this is what I mainly use it for. Now, if this is your first brand and you don't have your brand colors, like in the previous lessons, I kind of suggested if you go to Google or Pinterest and you type in the type of brand colors you want, like a soft color palette brand colors, or mauve, or if you have a specific, bold, bright, colorful, whatever your vibe is for your brand, you can type that into Google or Pinterest and then add hex colors, HEX. So this is kind of like the social security number for the color. It is called a hex, and it is a code that is it goes kind of all over the place. It's the code. If you want this color in KAJABI or Show It or Canva or Flowdesk, I would copy and paste this code to get this exact color in the color spectrum. So you can grab the hex colors and then add it here. And you can also add new hex colors. So I'm just kind of like make it up. Okay, there we go. You see how the hex colors change with the different numbers that you add to it. And so you can add hex colors, you can delete them. And this is how you create your color palette. Same thing with fonts. Remember, I'm telling you, please keep this as simple as possible. You can change your fonts here, store them, and so that way whenever you tweak templates in Canva, it'll automatically go to the fonts that you create in your brand kit. So this is just the basics of your brand kit, what you can do with it, how you can store your templates for your brand, your logos for your brand, your colors, your fonts, all located in the brand hub.